Alright, we're back to our part 9. This should be video part 9C. And I just want to, we've seen how, it's just a kind of a beginner thing, how to understand that your application is running correctly, no issue. So I want to create a package, and under it I want to create a class and then test it. You can do it your own way. It's a very simple something. It's a simple something. Let me come to this is it. And this, I will clear everything, we don't have problem here. And I will minimize this. We have mentioned that we're going to, look into detailed representations and meanings of these folder structures. But then we have mentioned that under Java we have a package, and this package we call it default package, where we have the server initializer, of course, the bootstrap that calls the application. This is what bootstrap your application and starts running. It calls these main method inside this class and it starts running. We're going to discuss all these later, but I just want to create another package here to test within this employee application main method. So I want to create something like this, new, and what? Package. Let's say, let's just name it something like send message as a class. All right? Send message, or let's say display, anyway, send message. You can name it anything. It's just a kind of a scenario. So you see, it is no, that's not it. You click on Java and create a package. The package is not under this. This is the main package, right? Click on this creator on the package here. Call it. Oh, no. The first one was the correct one. Click on this new package. You call it what? Send message. If you look at packages, mostly they are all small case, right? Alright, so send message under it. Then I can now right click and create a class and give it name, maybe messaging. I'm just setting example. That is the name of the what? The class. But I don't want to confuse myself. Let me rename it. You can refactor instead of renaming. That's another thing. You can right click on the give you resource and click on rename, refactor, because I want to refactor it. Renaming, instead of saying messaging, I'll say messaging class. So inside it, I'll create a method that greets somebody. Let me say greeting. Okay, public void, or anyone, if you want it string, public void, say
Hello message.
Hello message. Let me see. Display greetings. Right, it's a method. Then you end the method, end of the method. Is it visible? Alright, then I will say system.out.println. Println. I can just say good morning to CloudSoft Consulting developers team. \n. Are you guys there?
Yes.
Yes, ask me a question. So now, if I want to run this, if I want to test it from the main application, from the main method here, but before that, come to this is the class, right? Then you need to tell Spring Boot that if you want it available by Spring Boot, then you need to give it annotation, and the annotation is component annotation. You know, I told you we're going to discuss annotations. Actually, you cannot learn Bootstrap without annotations. Then after that, come down to this is the main method. Then you can call it here. I want to invoke a class from within another class. What do? I create object of the class. Then I will dot product, right? So one thing is I can say what is the class? This is the class, messaging class. All right. That is the type, right? Messaging. Is it correct? Yes, messaging class. And then the object name, I can say MC or MS, right? Equals to new messaging class. That's good. It has imported for me because it was red, you know. But then later, look at it here. It has imported this messaging class from where? From where? Look at it, messaging class. Then there is a package called sent message. I should have made it very much clear how you understand that it's a package. So then it has imported from that package and from the class and down to where I'm calling it. So now the next thing I do is just to say ms and dot products. When I say dot, it calls the entire object. So rather methods and all these resources of the class. And the first one is the method. That's the method I want to make use of and I want to call. Because if you check from here, this is where I have display what? Greetings. So then from here, then let's run and see. Because it's not everywhere you write your code. We're going to take a class on that. It's not everywhere you write your code. There are ways, there are how, you know, it's been designed in Spring Boot, how you write your code. So it is running, it is building. Okay, like it has run, right? Can you see something?
Yes.
Good morning. This is, you know, this is a console, right? Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning to Cloudsoft Consulting developers. So you see, when I say \n, what do I mean?
Yes.
Next line, thank you. So that's why it's created the are you there in next line, but it should have been within. It should, you know, I've given it a kind of what space. So let's make it like this, and we run. So you run. Yes. We're going to stop in the next 1 minute, I think. We're going to call off the class. Can you see it has corrected? So that means our application is pretty working very well, no issue. Thank you. We're going to continue next class with some other things that you know, other concepts, and then we start the actual thing. This is just a kind of a test. We haven't started anything rather than creating